Are you looking for a lucrative side hustle or a full-time business venture? Want to tap into a growing market and create something truly valuable? Want to create and sell digital planners and journals? The demand for digital planning tools is soaring, and now is the perfect time to get involved. With the power of AI at your fingertips, you can easily design and market your own unique digital planners and journals. Forget spending hours on tedious design work. With AI, you can design beautiful planners in minutes and sell them online. Imagine effortlessly generating a wide range of planner layouts, from daily schedules to monthly calendars, all tailored to your specific niche. The possibilities are endless, and the AI tools available make the process incredibly simple and efficient. You can focus on the creative aspects like choosing fonts, colors, and themes, while the AI handles the technical details. Digital planners are incredibly popular for organization and productivity. People are increasingly turning to digital solutions to manage their busy lives, and digital planners offer a convenient and effective way to stay on top of things. They're not just a trend, they're a valuable tool that helps people achieve their goals and live more fulfilling lives. They help people stay organized, track goals, and boost productivity. Whether it's managing daily tasks, setting long-term objectives, or simply staying on schedule, digital planners offer a versatile solution for a wide range of needs. The accessibility of digital planners across multiple devices, from phones to tablets to laptops, makes them an indispensable tool for modern life. This widespread appeal translates into a significant market opportunity for aspiring digital planner creators. Embarking on the journey of crafting your own digital planner begins with selecting the right tools. The market offers a plethora of AI-powered design platforms, each with its unique strengths. For beginners, user-friendly interfaces like Canva and Adobe Spark provide intuitive drag-and-drop functionalities, making the design process accessible and enjoyable. These platforms are excellent for creating visually appealing layouts and incorporating various design elements without requiring extensive design experience. On the other hand, for those seeking more specialized features tailored to book creation and publishing, BookBolt emerges as a powerful contender. Consider your design skill level, the complexity of your desired planner, and the specific features you require when making your choice. Ultimately, the right AI design tool will empower you to bring your vision to life efficiently and effectively. One of the most significant advantages of using AI design platforms is the availability of pre-designed templates. These platforms boast extensive libraries filled with templates specifically tailored for digital planners and journals. Whether you're looking for a minimalist weekly planner, a vibrant and colorful daily journal, or a comprehensive goal-setting template, you're likely to find a design that aligns with your vision. These templates serve as excellent starting points, saving you valuable time and effort in creating a layout from scratch. Explore the diverse range of styles and formats available, and select a template that resonates with your personal aesthetic and the intended purpose of your digital planner. Remember, these templates are fully customizable, allowing you to personalize them to your exact specifications. The true magic of AI design tools lies in their ability to empower you with complete creative control. Take advantage of the customization options to personalize every aspect of your digital planner. Experiment with different fonts to create a unique typographic style that reflects your brand or personal preference. Adjust the color palettes to evoke specific emotions or align with your overall design theme. Fine-tune the layouts to optimize the user experience and ensure that all essential elements are easily accessible. Furthermore, infuse your planner with motivational quotes to inspire and uplift users, and seamlessly integrate interactive calendars to facilitate effective scheduling and organization. The possibilities are endless, allowing you to create a digital planner that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. AI-powered design tools are revolutionizing the creative process, making it faster, more efficient, and more accessible than ever before. The intuitive drag-and-drop interfaces eliminate the need for complex coding or technical expertise, allowing you to focus on the design itself. AI algorithms intelligently optimize layouts, suggest design improvements, and ensure visual consistency, resulting in professional quality results. By automating repetitive tasks and streamlining the design workflow, these tools empower you to create stunning digital planners in a fraction of the time it would take using traditional methods. Embrace the power of AI to unlock your creative potential and elevate your design skills. Once you've meticulously crafted your digital planner to perfection, the final step is to export it in a format that is readily accessible and shareable. The most common and widely supported format for digital planners is PDF, portable document format. This format ensures that your design retains its original formatting and visual integrity across various devices and operating systems. Simply select the PDF option in the export dialog box, choose your desired settings, and initiate the export process. Once the file is saved, your digital planner is ready to be shared with your audience, whether it's for personal use, distribution among your team, or for sale on online marketplaces. Congratulations, you've successfully created a professional quality digital planner using the power of AI. Ready to turn your digital planner dreams into a thriving business? The key is strategic selling. To maximize your reach and connect with a global audience, consider leveraging diverse online platforms. Sell your creations on popular marketplaces like Etsy, known for its vibrant community of creators and customers seeking unique handcrafted items. Explore Gumroad, a fantastic option for selling directly to your audience with ease and flexibility. And don't forget Shopify, a powerful e-commerce platform that allows you to build your own branded online store and maintain complete control over your business. Each platform offers unique advantages, so choose the ones that best align with your target audience and business goals. To truly stand out in the crowded digital marketplace, it's crucial to effectively market your digital planners. Position them as more than just simple calendars. Highlight their unique features and benefits. Market them as personalized planners, tailored to individual needs and preferences. Emphasize their ability to help users stay organized, manage their time effectively, and achieve their goals. Showcase them as powerful goal trackers, designed to help users define their objectives, break them down into manageable steps, and monitor their progress. Or, promote them as productivity journals, providing a space for users to reflect on their daily activities, identify areas for improvement, and cultivate a more productive mindset. By focusing on the specific needs and desires of your target audience, you can create compelling marketing messages that resonate and drive sales. The digital planner market is booming, and with the power of AI at your fingertips, there's never been a better time to jump in. Start your profitable digital planner business today by harnessing the power of AI tools to streamline your design process, automate your marketing efforts, and gain valuable insights into customer behavior. Imagine effortlessly creating stunning planner designs, generating engaging social media content, and personalizing your customer interactions, all with the help of AI. Ready to unlock the full potential of AI in your digital planner business? Subscribe to our channel for more invaluable AI business tips, practical strategies, and inspiring success stories. We'll guide you through the latest AI tools and techniques, empowering you to create innovative digital products, reach a wider audience, and achieve your entrepreneurial dreams. Don't wait any longer. Start creating your digital products now and embark on your journey to financial freedom and creative fulfillment.